Keeping it safe, the essence of padded bag protection. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, keep in a padded bag. This phrase might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning and nuances that are crucial for anyone learning English. By understanding such expressions, you'll not only enhance your vocabulary but also gain insights into how English speakers communicate nuances of care and protection. So, let's get started. At first glance, keep in a padded bag suggests placing something inside a bag that has padding. Padding refers to a soft, protective material designed to cushion and protect items from damage. This phrase, however, goes beyond its literal meaning. It's often used metaphorically to talk about taking extra precautions to protect something valuable or delicate. For example, if someone says, "I keep my camera in a padded bag," they're not just talking about physical protection. They're also expressing the value they place on the camera and their desire to keep it safe from harm. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from literal to figurative. Literally, it's about protecting physical objects. Figuratively, it can describe taking care of anything precious to us, like an idea, a relationship, or even one's well-being. When used in conversations or writing, saying you're keeping something in a padded bag can also indicate that you're handling a situation with care, sensitivity, or caution. It's a versatile phrase that showcases the speaker's intention to protect and preserve. To help you grasp how to use this phrase, here are some examples. Literal usage. When traveling, I always keep my laptop in a padded bag to avoid damage. Figurative usage. He keeps his feelings in a padded bag, rarely letting his true emotions show to protect himself. These examples highlight the phrase's flexibility in expressing both physical protection and emotional safeguarding. Understanding phrases like keep in a padded bag enriches your English learning journey, offering deeper insights into the language's nuances. Whether it's for protecting valuables or safeguarding emotions, this phrase beautifully encapsulates the concept of care and caution. We hope this video helps you in your English language learning adventure. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new way to express yourself and connect with others. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.